Have you ever stood in front of your students thinking, what do I even teach today? Yeah, I've been there. Let me save you the stress. Here are the best courses and lesson structures that actually work when you are teaching English. Whether you are teaching beginners or coaching advanced students sound more natural. So when I first started teaching English, I thought I needed to reinvent the wheel, create my own materials, start from scratch. A big mistake. Then I discovered something magical. Use trusted, well-designed courses and build your lessons around them. A very good example would be New Headway or Empower books. It's not cheating, it's smart. The first course I recommend is Cambridge Empower. Super structured, it covers grammar, vocabulary, communication, life skills, real life context. It's perfect for levels like B1, B2, or even beginners. Second option is British Council Teaching English platform. It's for free and has ready-made lessons. You literally just walk in and teach. It's great for busy teachers or beginners. If you want something fun and modern, go for Ingo Daily News. You get daily articles with level indicators, vocabulary, and discussion and questions. It's great for intermediate learners or advanced students. Honestly, I wish someone told me this earlier. You don't have to burn out preparing lessons for hours. Teaching English can actually be fun if you have the right tools. So, here is what I usually do. I pick up a reliable course structure, such as Empower Cambridge or Teaching English platform. After I get what I'm supposed to teach, I reorder it using a pen and paper through mind maps. After I have a clear plan, I use Gemini or ChatGPT to have clear games or activities that are suitable for my students' age, gender, and culture. If you think this is still hard, comment below the word lesson plans and I will send you a PDF containing 5 lesson plan examples. You can use them for inspiration or during the class. It's totally okay.